Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In the previous video, we have built the HTML and we have did some CSS part, right? And now in this video, we will try to complete the CSS part and we'll jump into the JavaScript thing. So in this video, we will complete the CSS. So if you have already have knowledge on the CSS part and all those things, you can skip this video. Or otherwise, if you want to see the CSS, the styles and all those things, how I am trying to apply and how I am styling this application means, so you can watch this video from here onwards. Okay, fine. So let's start with the styles. So now up to the top we have did it, right? Now where do you want to buy? So this is the item which we want to style it. So let's go hash add hyphen item. So this is the ID which we are having. So I am trying to make it as simple as possible. So why? Because this is not the course which is intended for the CSS thing. So I will try to take margin 10 pixel auto. So if you want to learn more about the CSS and all those things, I have already covered the CSS course. Most of the things I have completed, but we need to do it is still the playlist is still under development. But major of the concepts like flexbox, grid, and all those things are already covered. So you can watch those videos. So that you can have a solid knowledge on the CSS part. So this is the margin 10 pixel auto, okay, for 400 pixel. So let's go to the add hyphen item into the input. Okay, so I am taking the input. So for this one, I am taking width as 300 pixel. Okay, so this will be somewhat big, and we can also make it as 350 pixels, so not a problem. Okay, and the padding, I am taking it as 5 pixel comma 0 pixel. And we can take it as display block. Okay, so and the ad is coming down, right? So we can make it as float left, it will come side, and we can give border radius 0 pixel or none 0 pixel. So it will be sad. So here I can have border of 1 pixel solid hash a. Okay, we got the border. And we need to take the button hash add hyphen item button, and in this button we need to have background color of brown. So I'm having this button thing color, I will be taking it as white, the text color, and we can have semicolon, and I want to remove that border, black border is there, right? I will remove the border. We can have something padding of around 6 pixel or 5 pixel or anything. So just I am trying to make it as simple as possible. Fine, it's looking somewhat fine. So I don't want to go deep much into that one. So now here we have completed. So now this is a grocery list. So now we need to design about this grocery list. Okay, let's go to the grocery list. Grocery list. So for this grocery list, what I can do, I can take the margin of 20 pixel. Okay, and hash grocery list ul. So first we need to remove the list style. Okay, so list style, and we can remove the margin and padding also. Actually there will be no margin, so it will be padding, but I am writing both of them, so not a problem. Now let's go to each one. That is nothing but hash grocery list inside the li. So for each li item, you can have margin of around 30 pixel comma 0 pixel. So this will come one by one down, and you can have a border left. So border left of 5 pixel solid hash e. Okay, not e, so we'll take it as a. Yeah, somewhat fine. And we can give padding of 10 pixel. Okay, that's it. Let's move on to the delete button, this delete button. So here you can have hash grocery list hyphen delete, that one, right? Grocery li dot delete, which has a delete method, sorry, delete class. So we can have this one as float, right? Or otherwise you can use the displex concept also. Just I want to give simple background color. You can have the same thing, brown, which we are taking brown here. Color I can take it as white. Color is white, and padding I can keep it as 10 pixels so that it will be bulged. Yes, and cursor, if you want, you can also keep it as cursor as pointer. Okay, fine. Yes, so now the cursor pointer will come. So this is the thing. So now let's have some box shadow. Okay, let's have some box shadow and all those things. So let's go into this wrapper thing, and here I will give box shadow of 5 pixel, 3 pixel, and 2 pixel hash a. Okay, so this is the thing which you will be having. And what I can do, I can have a padding of 20 pixel comma 0 pixel. I can have this padding, fine, right? And also I can have this border of 1 pixel solid hash a. I can also have this border. So now we are having some top at this one, right? So why this one is coming? Maybe this could be because of, I don't know, I'm thinking of. So for this one we have added this header background, right? Not for this one. So padding top we have applied. I think maybe because of this one only, I think. Yeah, because of that one only. Okay, so now this is what. Now this is what our about the what I can say hide list. So this is what about the which I want to tell you is the design thing. So the design part. So this is all about the design part. So it's enough, more than enough, I think. So let's try to do our main agenda is to write the events for this one, JavaScript events and all those things. We need to write it. So let's try to write it. For example, if I am hovering here, we can do something like li hover, this one, right? Li hover. So I can use border color brown. I'm thinking whether it will work or not. Yeah, see, now it's looking somewhat fine, right? So this is all about the thing. In the next video we will try to write the events. We'll start writing the events for this one. So this is all about the HTML. So now if you want, you can see this all HTML. Okay, and this is the CSS, so which we have designed all the CSS, body, h1, h2, wrapper, so whatever the classes. So here I have took the IDs and all those things, the same IDs I am trying to implement it here, the same thing. So I have designed a basic thing, so don't think more about the CSS and all those things. So this is our just the concept which we have implemented. We'll try to focus more on the JavaScript thing. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.